There was a time I thought I had it all figured out. A stable job, a nice car, people's respect. I was living the life, or so I believed. But then everything came crashing down. I lost my job overnight when the company shut down. No warning, no plan B, just silence. I applied to 50 companies. No one called back. Doubt crept in. Maybe I'm not good enough, I told myself. Days turned to weeks. I was stuck. One morning, I saw a girl running uphill. She looked tired, but determined. And I thought, if she can push herself uphill, why can't I push through this phase of life? That same day, I started learning again. Small things, digital marketing, copywriting, public speaking. Every night, 1 hour, just for me. It wasn't easy. I failed some tests. I got ignored. But slowly something changed. I was no longer chasing a job. I was building myself. Fast forward a year, I started my own business. I help others rebuild their confidence, not because I'm special, but because I refuse to give up. So, if you're stuck right now, if life feels unfair, just remember this. Rock bottom can be the foundation you build your comeback on.